Now come to the next terminology, capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. What is capital expenditure? Any amount which is used by the business to acquire the fixed assets, which is used by the business for a long period, over a period of time, that type of expenditures are called capital expenditure. So capital expenditure are those expenditure which the business do to acquire the fixed assets. Acquire the fixed assets. Fixed assets like purchase of machinery, purchase of plant and machinery, purchase of building, purchase or construction, construction of building, purchase of furniture, purchase of motor car, So when any assets purchased by the business to use it for a long period, over a period of time, means more than 1 year, then that expenditures are called capital expenditure. These capital expenditure increases the earning capacity of the business, and these expenditures are shown in the balance sheet asset side. Okay, so the characteristics wise, when we do the capital expenditure, it means this expenditure is for over a year of time, more than 1 year, over a period of time, more than 1 year. And these expenditure increases the profit earning capacity of the business. And these expenditures, means assets, are shown in the balance sheet asset side. Okay. Now come to the revenue expenditure. What is revenue expenditure? Revenue expenditure are those expenditure which are repetitive in nature. These expenditures are repetitive in nature, whose benefit is derived in one particular year only. These expenditures are called revenue expenditure. For instance, payment of salary, payment of rent, payment of insurance premium, purchase of goods, payment for electricity, So these are the revenue expenditure, repetitive expenditure, whose benefit is derived for a particular period of time, for a 12 months only. These expenditure not increases the profit, but it maintains the profit. These revenue expenditure is not going to increase the profit, but we are doing it to maintain the profit. And these expenditure are shown in the profit and loss account debit side. These expenditure are shown in the profit and loss account, means income statement. And as I told that these expenditures, capital expenditure, are shown in the balance sheet in the asset side. asset side. This is liability side and this is the asset side. So these expenditure are shown in the asset side. And these revenue expenditures are shown in the income statement, means profit and loss account, credit side, this side. This side your income, it is on this side, credit side. And this income, when it is reflected in the credit side, then the profit of the firm will increase. So these revenue, this is not this side, these expenditures, revenue expenditure is shown in the payment side, expenditure side. This is expense side, expense side. This is your revenue expense, this side. This revenue expenditure are shown in the debit side of the profit and loss account, debit side of profit and loss account, and the profit is decreased because of that expenses. So what are the characteristics of revenue expenditure? Revenue expenditures whose benefit is derived in one particular accounting period, means within the 12 months. Second, these expenditures is not going to increase our profit earning capacity, but we are doing this to maintain our profit, for maintaining our profit. And these are repetitive in nature. These expenditures are repetitive in nature. Okay. So difference between capital expenditure and revenue expenditure is very simple. Capital expenditure non-repetitive, it is repetitive. Capital expenditure shown in the balance sheet asset side, and revenue expenditure shown in the profit and loss account debit side, revenue expenditure. The benefit of capital expenditure is derived over a period of time, whereas the benefit of revenue expenditure is only to that particular accounting year within the 12 months. Okay. The capital expenditure increases the earning capacity of the business, whereas the revenue expenditure maintain the profit earning capacity,